Quentin, what are you doing?
Play stickers.
What do you say?
Play stickers.
You're playing stickers? Quentin, what are you wearing today?
Santa's vest.
Softa's vest?
Yeah.
You like Softa's vest, don't you? Mommy wanted you to put on a green sweatshirt, and then I wanted you to put on a gray sweatshirt, and you said, no, Mommy, I want to wear Softa's vest, all on your own. We haven't even worn it in like a week. What did you think you heard earlier? You thought you heard a noise? And you wanted to go check.
I think Santa's.
You thought you heard Softa?
Yeah. Wake up.
What?
I heard Mommy knock. Open the door.
I didn't go open the door?
Yeah. Dada here. Mommy.
Should we go check?
There's Mommy. There's Mommy.
That's where Mommy is. You want to go check and see if Softa's here?
Yeah.
Yeah? Where are you going to check? Oh, you're too close.
Oh, I see my mommy.
Your mom's right here.